So hello everyone, here is also student in front of all of you. Yes, it is Anshika Singh and I am from class 7th A. So first of all, I am thankful of Akash sir for calling me here. So today I am going to talk about our Independence Day. So first of all, I will start it with a poem, a beautiful poem which is I come from the land of sages, which culture is from ages. I know the value of zero. My soldiers are my heroes. With the golden birds' flights, I will take my country to the height. Not Sikh, not Brahmins and not Jat. I am an Indian first. So here's everyone, here's I'm going to talk about, are we truly independent or no? So did you know Independence Day? I don't think everyone who are quite present here don't know what is Independence Day. I think everyone knows what is Independence Day and when we celebrate it and how it is and how it means. Okay, so but in the roughly example, if I give, then British occupied our India, they killed many people, soldiers fought for us, and such more they do bad things with women, so on. It's just listen, it's not just simple to talk about a word, to explain it in just a few lines. It's too much hard to explain it because it's our Independence Day, it's India's Independence Day. So did you know why we talk about it on a topic that we can easily find out on a Google or Wikipedia? Yes, we can easily find out on Google or Wikipedia what is Independence Day. But today I am present here to tell you all, are we truly independent or not? Yes. So yes, it's our Independence Day. Let me take a beautiful pic with Independence Day and post it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everything as posted. With the caption of hashtag Independence Day, hashtag my India, hashtag I love my India, hashtag. Yes, now the Facebook updated, Instagram Reels updated, everything is updated. Now on the next day, the so-called Independence Day gone, the so-called nationalism gone, the everything that we do on Independence Day is gone. Now no one's know what is Independence Day, what is nationalism and what is. Everyone forgot the day when we get the Independence Day and who fought for us. Yes, it's the truth of our country that we don't respect the national festivals of our country. Okay, did you know I take care of my parents each day. They take care of me each day and every day. But to take care of our Mother Earth, we have only 3 days: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Mother Earth Day. Mother Earth Day, just an Environment Day. Yes. It's only 3 to 4 days which we take care of our country, take care of our earth. Yes. So just think that only 3-4 days are just sufficient to take care of our country. There is, if see, my home is now clean and neat and clean. If you come into my house, I will show you that each corner of my house is clean. But if you see our country, there is no cleanness if I see there. Okay. The soldiers of our country. Did you know the high temperature of Rajasthan and the low temperature of Rajasthan, they ever fight for us, day, night, never mind. They always keep protecting us from the terrorists and from many of the people who come from the another country and try to occupy India once again. But they don't give a chance to come into India. Yes, it's our truly hero. Listen. Some people say now that Iron Man, Miss Marvel, and the things like a Hulk, they all are my superheroes. They are fabulous. But what about our soldiers and everyone? Why we forget to mention our soldiers by whom we are safe in our country? Why we forget to mention the parents by whom we are in this world? Why do we forget to mention the laborers by whom we have this beautiful school, Sankat Mochan group of institutions? Why do we forget to mention our teachers by whom we have something in our mind? Why do we forget to mention oneself by whom we are present here and by whom we will just become something in our future? Why do we forget that such people? Did you know it's 2024th year of Independence Day, and today people also say बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ फिर ले जाके किचन में बैठाओ. Yes, today is our 2024th year of Independence Day. Today also girls' birth should be accepted and the boys' birth should be celebrated. And did you know it's our 2024th year of of Independence Day, today also everyone thinks that girls should be work properly, eat properly, dance properly, behave properly. But a boy should not say that it should be behave only properly, it should speak properly. This is the thing. Today also discrimination between caste, dowry system, and the too many things happens in our country. But we don't say a few words about that. And the government do not take any of the action on these systems. Yes, it takes, but we don't follow it. Why? Because we make our rules with ourselves. We don't follow each and anything which we don't follow. And this is our country. This is our Independence Day, and we are not independent yet. I think then this Independence Day is an under constructed Independence Day, and we will make this Independence Day as a truly Independence Day. The children of India, the Indians, and the people of India, I request to all of you, and I respect you, please come with me, with our members, to make this Independence Day as a truly Independence Day, which will we make the next year will be a truly Independence Day. And the things that I speak in my speech and the things that I tell you in my speech was the too much important to take a role, to take action on that things, to tell everyone that this point was the very most important point and the very important point that we take action on this topic. Yes, it's our Independence Day, be happy. It's Independence Day, but not independence. We don't get independence yet from our culture, from our behavior, from our thoughts, from our not anything. Yeah, yes, that's all about my speech, and that's how I want to tell you all that it's not our Independence Day, and we will make one day. I will make one day. I don't know anyone will agree with me or not, but yes, I will make one day. It's our Independence Day. Yes, just take fun of this day. Thank you all.